Hello, and welcome to the introductory video for the WinAutomation tutorial series. WinAutomation is a desktop application which enables you to automate any repetitive, rule-based task taking place on Windows-based applications and technologies. WinAutomation can put your processes and workflows on autopilot and enable you to augment your work to achieve personal and business success. It can assist you in automating repetitive and straightforward tasks, like a backup procedure, mass file renaming, daily FTP upload, web data extraction, data entry to a third-party application, or sending emails. It can automate much more complicated workflows as well that combines all of them. What is amazing is the fact that through one single WinAutomation process, as we call it, you are able to interact with numerous desktop or web applications, manipulate all sorts of files, and deal with different kinds of technologies. Let's see how WinAutomation works. The heart of WinAutomation is the process, a term used to describe any action or series of actions in a task that is automated. For WinAutomation to execute a process on your behalf, you must develop it first. To begin, click the New Process button in the WinAutomation console. The Process Designer is the environment where you build the task's activities and are able to view the complete steps in your process. In the Process Designer, the user can develop automated tasks, then test, debug, and troubleshoot them before they are ready to be officially executed as a completed, ready-to-run WinAutomation process. So, once development and debugging is done, you are able to see and execute the process you just created directly from the WinAutomation console. You can decide how to invoke and start this process, manually or automatically. The simplest and most straightforward way to start the execution of a process is to do so manually. Just select the process and click on the Start button in the console. However, WinAutomation also offers the ability to trigger a process on the occurrence of a specific event, like the creation of a file in a folder. Additionally, a process can be executed based on a schedule that the user has set. A schedule is nothing more than a set of pre-configured times at which the process will run. When a process runs, any events that need to be reported are shown under the Logs tab in the WinAutomation console. Some of these events might be the start of the process's execution or the failure of its completion due to an unexpected error. The WinAutomation console also contains the Options tab, where general WinAutomation settings can be configured. Here you can find licensing information, error handling behavior configuration, backup, maintenance, and other settings. During the tutorial series, we will provide a full overview of WinAutomation's features and functionalities to help you develop, execute, and control your processes. Thank you for watching.